Good morning, little friend.
Good morning! What a beautiful jungle day! Where are you going today?
I'm collecting food for later.
Hard work keeps me strong.
You are the hardest worker I know.
Let's explore the forest together. Yes! Adventures are more fun with friends. I love surprises!
The jungle is full of surprises.
Wow, that seed is big! I'm stronger than I look! Almost there!
You can do it.
Let's rest near the river. The water sounds so peaceful. The river looks so fast. Yes, it can be dangerous too. From up here, the jungle looks amazing.
I wish I could fly like you.
Everyone has special talents.
That's true.
Be careful near the water.
This breeze feels nice. I just want to see it closer.
Stay safe.
Oh no! I'm slipping!
Watch out. Wow, what's that? So many new things.
Help! The water is pulling me! I can't swim!
My friend is in trouble. I must save him.
Hold on, friend! I'm coming! Please help me! Help! Please help me! Please help me! Help! Think. What can I do?
That leaf might work. This will save my friend. Don't worry, friend.
I'm almost there!
Friend, I see you. Grab the leaf.
Thank you, friend!
Stay on the leaf.
You're safe now! I'm not scared anymore. I'm safe! No jumping in the river! What a scary adventure!
Friends always help each other.
You're right, that's what friends are for. You saved my life! I'm so glad you're safe. Thank you, my friend. Of course. I will never forget this. That's what friends are for. You are the best friend.
Let's continue our adventure.
Yes, let's go. But this time, far from the river. Far from the river. Got it. I'll always watch over you. And I'll always trust you.
The jungle is peaceful again.
Yes, it is. Today, we learned something important.
What was it?
That friends make everything better.
Yeah.
Helping others makes the world better.
and friendship makes us stronger.